Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you can log into Crossfire with your current credentials. This prevents lockout mid-change. Once signed in, open Account Settings and locate the Contact or Security tab. Make sure you have the new email active and access to its inbox because you will receive verification links. If the account uses two-factor, have your authenticator or phone ready. These checks avoid delays and prove ownership. Proceed to update the primary contact field now. Once the new address is entered, click the verification or send link button so Crossfire dispatches a confirmation message. This step binds the address to your account. You must open the new inbox and click the verification link within the time frame shown because expired links require restarting the flow. If two-factor verification appears, supply the code from your authenticator or SMS. Doing this proves control of both accounts. When the site confirms, make sure to save any updated recovery options. After the verification completes, save settings and sign out, then sign back in using the new email to confirm everything works. If the confirmation email never arrives, check spam and filters, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then request a resend. If the process still fails, gather UID, character name, transaction receipts, and contact Crossfire support. Provide those details so they can manually verify ownership. This closes the loop and restores full account control. Don't forget to update recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.